Hey folks, I could see a lot of people right now are applying for internships and struggling to write an email or something like that. If you are also one of them, this video is for you. You want to check it right away? So one of my friends tried asking me, I want to write an email, and is there anyone, or maybe you, who always writes a lot of emails? Would you like to help me out? Why me? We have ChatGPT. Let's do it. So you can see that this is my computer, and I have logged into, I just opened ChatGPT here. All you need to do is go ahead and log in with an OpenAI account. So I'm just gonna do mine. Let's log in, and then once we are logged in, it shows something like this, all these crazy things, and then just go inside this. Now the first thing is, I want to write an email to a recruiter for applying an internship opportunity. Please help me. That's all. Nothing else I have written. I didn't write what is the internship about. Nothing I wrote. I just wrote like this. So it is going to maybe ask me a few more questions, or maybe, who knows, it could also give you an amazing email as well. We don't know. Let's see. So there are like some tips or something like that. Okay, these are like, it's going to give a nice number of tips. Okay, so this is also good if you want to write something on your own, but at the same time, we can also get a draft of an email clearly written by OpenGPT, ChatGPT, because it is going to give you with amazing grammatical sense. Oh, wait, what? Look at that. Here's an example of an email to a recruiter. I didn't say, I mean, like, I don't know whether ChatGPT actually reads my mind, but here you go. It's done. Nice, right? It is super cool. I'm so happy. Dude, what else you need? I guess this should be enough, right? So have a nice day, and as I mentioned, go for it. This is the email address. This is the email you want. You don't need me or anyone else. Enjoy. Bye. As usual, stay home, stay safe, take care of your health. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.